And it goes a little something like this.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Here we have the SP Motorsports 6.7 Ford oil pan for the 2011-2024 oil 6.7 Fords. In this oil pan kit, what's really cool about this one, it's all of course cast aluminum. These only come in raw. You can get them, you can order it from us, powder coated, to match your engine if you would like, or you can just paint it when you get it, whichever one you want to do. We'd be glad to help. What's really cool about these is you can order them with an additional heater, which would go right here. This is a return for compounds or an extra turbo, and of course you got your drain plug here. When you order from Blessed Performance, we include the billet drain plug with purchase for every single one of them. This is a $24 add-on. I see no point in ordering this without it. We include it free with purchase. In the combo comes the plugs for these two if you're not going to use them, the new hardware, and it's an O-ring gasket. Updates it to an O-ring gasket, so that O-ring will go right in this groove all the way around here, and then you got some RTD in there as well. The kit comes with everything you need to install it. This is going to upgrade the cooling and the capacity that your Ford 6.7 holds. This should add 1.5 quarts if I recall correctly. So it goes from 12.7 to right at like 14.5 quarts is what it comes down to. So if you're doing an oil change, you want to keep that in mind when you get one of these bad boys, okay? But if you're going to take the soft do an oil change when you're doing that. We have shapers in stock if you need it. Highly recommend it. Check out the SP line of products. This is just one of the amazing products they offer. We carry them all. We have a lot in stock and ready to ship. We have SP oil pans. We have transmission pans, Emperor turbo kits. Yeah, we got a lot of cool stuff from SP. It's just one of the badass products that they sell. Give us a call with any questions, 1-800-577-2698. Check all the SP products out on our website, blessedperformance.com. Give us a call if you have any tech questions. Any one of our team would be glad to answer them for you.